Nnamdi Kanu, the detained leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, has been freed. Kanu was freed after his appeal was upheld by the Court of Appeal sitting in Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory, on Thursday. The court discharged and acquitted the embattled leader of the proscribed group. Kanu's lawyer and human rights activist Ifeanyi Ejiofor confirmed this on his Facebook page on Thursday. Kanu had in his appeal dated on April 29 and marked with the code applied to be discharged and acquitted. Kanu was the first arraigned on December 23, 2015 and was later granted bail on April 25, 2017.